Guys, I'm Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye, I just said it, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a lovely week. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. I'm sorry if the lighting is changing, I'm using sunlight. So this will be the makeup look I'll be doing for today. It's a nice graphic liner, sort of smoky. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to get this look with some liquid lipstick, then just keep on watching. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and the first thing I'm going to do is brush up my eyebrows with a spoolie. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Davis pencil, in the shade 040. So once my eyebrows are done, I am going to take the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer, this one right here, and I'm going to use it to prime my eyelid. So as usual, I'm going to start with this eye, and then I'll come back, we'll do this eye together. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer, and I'm just going to use my finger to blend that out. So the first eyeshadow shade that I used was the shade Bronzed, which is this one here, and I just used it to set my concealer. So once that is done, I am going to take a maroon lip liner, this one by Davis, and I'm just using it to trace out my graphic liner, like the shape that I'm going for. Then after that, I'm going to take a liquid lipstick. I'm using this one by Dose of Colors. It's in the shade, okay, I don't even know, it's like a maroon. So I'm just going to take this and put it over where I have drawn with that eyeliner pencil, this maroon one. Yes, just like that. And then now I'm going to try and blend it out. So after that, I am going to go into my eyeshadow palette again, and I'm using the shade Midnight, which is a black, and I'm just using that to deepen this liner, just like this, you see. Oh, and take note, when you're using liquid lipstick, it's kind of sticky, so just take your time when you're putting this black liner so that you don't mess up what you've already put on. And then now I'm just bringing that black eyeliner and sort of drawing a wing. And I've drawn the wing halfway into my eyelids. I'm not really bringing it into my inner corner because I'm going to clean this up, and I want to first clean it up, then I can like complete my eyeliner. So now I'm just blending it out into that red, just so that everything looks like a nice smooth gradient and like the colors are fading into each other. Yeah, and I think this is like the hard part of this whole makeup tutorial. Like everything else is sort of easy because you have to like blend this out really nicely, and working with liquid lipstick is tricky. Honestly, if I had a red eyeshadow, I would use it, but I don't. So I am improvising. But just take your time, because even for me, this is my first time trying to do this. So just take your time and just blend it really nice. And I know right now it looks like a mess, but trust the process. Concealer is gonna come in and clean up this whole thing. It's gonna look nice. Just, you know, be patient with it and just blend it. So now I like how that looks. So the next thing, I am going to take the color Pop, which is this burnt orange here, and I'm going to use that to just blend out the edges of that maroon. So now it's time to clean up my eyelids, and I'm going to use the concealer. So I'm going to take the shade Golden Rule, which is this beige right here, and I'm just putting that all over my eyelids. Okay, so after that is done, I am just going to do my eyeliner and then put on some lashes, and then I'll come back to do my foundation. So I just went ahead and smoked out my lower lash line, and now let's do my foundation. So first I'm going to start with contouring, and the concealer I'm using to contour is this one, LA Girl Pro Concealer. And to blend that out, I am using this brush. So once I've blended out my contour, I'm going to go in with foundation, and the foundation I'm using is this one, the Maybelline Fit-Me foundation in the shade 335. So after that, I am going to conceal, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer in the shade 40. Okay, so now let me put on some blush. So now I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm just going to put on some highlight and maybe wing out my inner corner, and then I'll be back to do my lips. So for my lips, I'm going to use what I usually use, which is a maroon lip liner, then a black lip liner, and then some gloss. And then for the gloss, this is the gloss that I'm using. So I just styled my hair. This is the finished look for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. And since you guys are still here, watch these two videos. Okay, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. Yeah, till next time. Bye guys.